I'm gonna show you how to make the perfect grilled cheese. So you gotta get bread, but don't get like gross wheat bread because nobody likes gross wheat bread. So we want good, get your good bread. Get some cheese. I'm using mozzarella because it's the best cheese. Then you're gonna wanna, I don't know, I like to layer stuff up and in between the layers, sorry about the shaky camera. I'm holding it against my body with my arm in front of it so I can hold the pepper thing and put the pepper on. But yeah, I like to layer up some salt and pepper in between the layers of cheese. You can put veggies or other stuff or literally whatever you want. You could put ham, although I don't, oh no, I forgot. You probably can't hear this. Why? It's a weird shape. Salt and pepper. I'm sorry about the camera. More cheese. And we're done. There we go. Okay, so I thought I was recording, and I basically just said turn the pan on, put some butter in there. So it wasn't that important. It's okay though. Just turn the pan on and put some butter in there. Don't use a super small pan though, because that won't work. It will not work. Look at that melty butter. Beautiful. Butter in there. Oh my goodness, it's still zoomed in. Put your sandwich in there. And it should cook. So yeah. Sorry about that. Weird camera angles. You basically want to fry your grilled cheese. Get the butter. And oh my goodness, it's bubbling. It's bubbling all over the place. Bye-bye. Good amount of butter or else it'll burn. Let's see if we can flip it. It's not fused at all though, so this might turn out badly. It'd be good if you had 2 spatulas. Let's see. Flip! And it did turn out badly. Let's just see if we can get that guy back on. No! No, not the cheese! Okay, this is a mess. I started running out of butter in the end. Cheese is all melted off, but it's okay. It looks very nice. Let's scoot it up here. And turn it over because this is the nicer side. Gotta lightly, I like my grilled cheeses really light. Whether you have them light or not, that really depends on, I need to stop holding the camera to my body because the microphone always gets muffled. And you can't really see it that well. I'll bring it to the light. Wait, I left the oven on. The stovetop, I left the stovetop on. Yes, I need to turn that off. I really need to turn that off. I'm responsible. I'm sorry about that. But yeah, lightly golden and stuff. You can get some yogurt or fruit or chips or whatever you want. I think I'm gonna get an apple, although we don't have any apples that I like. We just have the gross Granny Smith, which are disgusting. Also, wait, plating. I'm responsible. Okay. Sandwich cutting. Always cut your sandwiches diagonally. You have to cut them diagonally, it's the law. That's how you make a perfect grilled cheese.